What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today I want to bring you guys my truck kit, y'all. Yeah, my truck kit. Family, I'm going to start down here with my reflective vest, y'all. Yeah, my reflective vest. Family, a reflective vest is a must. When you're on the side of that road, changing your tire or doing some other maintenance to your vehicle, you want to be seen, family. So a reflective vest is a must in any truck kit. Family, you also want to protect your hands. So I normally carry a few pairs of gloves, y'all. Oh yeah, I carry a few pairs of gloves. Oh yeah, fam. You must watch out for that fire, y'all. You must have a way to suppress that fire. So I carry a fire extinguisher, fam. Yeah, a fire extinguisher. I also have jumper cables and other hand tools such as screwdrivers, sockets, and pliers, y'all. I have a few extra fuses and other connections as well, fam. Check it out. Fam, I have all types of forcible entry tools such as axes, pry bars, and bolt cutters as well, fam. Yeah. Fam, and sometimes, you may have to siphon a little gas, y'all. So I carry a siphon kit, transfer pump as well, fam. Check it out. I also have the cobalt socket set. And some JB Weld, fam. You never know when you have to repair some type of metal. It could be iron, it could be steel, copper, or what have you. Yeah, fam. I also have the radiator repair, leak repair. And I carry a multi-tool as well, y'all. I carry a multi-tool and a variety of other cutting implements such as knives, razor knives. That particular knife in the middle also has a seatbelt cutter and a window punch as well, y'all. Oh yeah. Fam, I normally carry rope and carabiners, y'all. Real carabiners, fam. You never know when you may have to have that mechanical advantage, make a 2-to-1, a 3-to-1, a 5-to-1. Oh yeah, Black Guns can do it, y'all. Oh yeah. Fam, I also carry funnels, a variety of knives, machetes, etc. And I always have something to start a fire with, y'all. So I have ferro rods, waterproof matches, yeah, lighters, yeah, fam. You always want to be able to see, especially at night. So I have glow sticks and a variety of flashlights, fam. Yeah, these are the Pelican lights. Just different varieties of Pelican lights, one of my favorites. Family, you need to know where you're going. You need to know your direction at all times, y'all. So I have a compass, y'all, and I have a road atlas that I keep in my truck kit. Oh yeah, fam. Fam, and you may have to repair a tire on the side of the road as well. So I have a tire kit. Oh yeah, a tire plug kit, and I also have the green slime, y'all. Yeah, the tire sealant, the green slime. Yeah, fam. Fam, and sometimes you just need to see what's going on around you, what's going on ahead of you or behind you. So I carry a set of binoculars, and also carry this monocular, this night vision monocular, y'all. It's actually a valuable piece of equipment, and the price is it's budgetly friendly, y'all. Yeah, I may do a review on it more in depth in another video, y'all. Yeah. Family, I also carry power banks You know, we want to charge up those phones, so I had a solar or power bank. And I have chargers for different phones, the iPhone, the Androids. Yeah, fam. Fam, and sometimes, you know, your battery may just go dead. So I carry a battery charger, a battery jump starter, and an air compressor, y'all. Yeah, fam. I also have the a portable heater. Yeah. It's powered by, you know, a cigarette connection. It works pretty good, y'all. Fam, as I said in prior videos, you know, hygiene is very important, so I carry a variety of hygiene supplies, deodorant, toilet paper, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, portable, disposable washcloths. Yeah, fam. In my truck kit, fam, I also carry a respirator, y'all. I carry a full face respirator. And I also carry a Tyvek suit, y'all. Yeah. Family, I live close to the water, so I have several flotation devices here. They're just regular kind of pool toys, y'all, but they can save your life, fam. They can save your life. Yeah. I also have a United States Coast Guard approved flotation device, y'all. Yeah, life vest. I have a dry bag. And I also have numerous ways of purifying your water, such as life straw and purification tablets, y'all. Yeah. I have a collapsible fishing rod and reel, and a small tackle box, fam. I carry a couple of P-38s, a couple of P-38s. My veterans and military people will know what they are. Yeah, I carry a couple of P-38s, y'all. And I carry a seal cock tube. Yeah, fam. Yeah. As I stated, fam, I live close to the water, so mosquitoes are an issue. Mosquitoes are an issue, especially this time of the year, the summertime, springtime. So I carry various mosquito repellents, y'all. As you can see, fam, I have the hot hands. I carry a few pair of extra prescription glasses as well, fam. Fam, one of my most important truck kit supplies is my IFAC. Yeah, my first aid kit, fam. In here I have a tourniquet, as well as chest seals, Israeli bandages, a lot of other things, fam. I may revisit this in another video to go a little more in depth in my IFAC, y'all. Fam, I carry ponchos, just emergency ponchos, frog togs, ponchos. And I carry a change of clothes, y'all. And a good pair of boots. Oh yeah, fam. Oh yeah, fam. Fam, I also carry ammunition. And I carry pepper gel, y'all. Yeah, pepper gel. Yeah, fam. Fam, believe it or not, all of these supplies are kept in this bag, y'all. Yeah, they're all kept in this bag. Fam, although I'm not in the garden, I must have a companion, y'all. I must have a companion. So today, my companion is The T-Sauce B45 1911. Chambered in 45 ACP. Oh yeah, fam. Check it out, y'all. Pressure, y'all. Yeah. That's a T-Sauce B45 chambered in 45 ACP. Oh yeah, fam. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I appreciate all the support, y'all. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out. One.